Hey guys, I'm here with the Zynn app today to tell you how you can make up to $100 a day with this app. So basically, all you have to do is refer people and watch short TikTok videos. That is not exactly TikTok, but it's similar to TikTok, and you can earn points. These are just some rules. You can potentially earn up to $20 per referral if your referrals are doing what they're supposed to do. These are the activity rules to earn that $20, but you also get $6 just for that person signing up and watching a couple videos. And you can also copy and paste your link. And up top you see my code right there. You can also use my code if you would like to sign up and need a code to use. I have $24 in my account at the moment because I just cashed out. And these are the short TikTok videos that you'll be watching. And you see the gift loading at the bottom, the little loading sign. That's where you'll receive your points. And I'm going to my Zynn wallet, and you can see my points just came to my account. You can also see points that I earned from friends, from watching my videos. Also me, you can see where I cashed out or got paid for referrals. And that's it.